How to transfer money from Wise to Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to transfer money from your Wise account to Binance. If you're looking for a smooth way to move funds into your Binance account to start trading or investing in crypto, I've got you covered. We'll break down these step by step and also share a few tips to avoid delays and fees on this topic right here. Now, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's talk about the overview of the platform right here. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a popular money transfer service known for its low fees and great exchange rate. Binance, on the other hand, is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Unfortunately, Wise doesn't directly support crypto platforms like Binance, but there is a workaround using a linked bank account, so let's walk you through the full process. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your Binance account right here, and simply once inside, you then have to enter the wallet right here. Click on the overview option, and simply once inside the overview, you then want to head over to the fiat and spot wallet. In my case, it's going to be the spot wallet right here. Now, once inside, just click on the deposit button and you will be able to go ahead and select your currency, for example, USD, Euro, or GBP. In my case, I'm going to buy with USD. Buy crypto easily via bank transfer, cards, and more. Simply right after that, Binance will show you a deposit options like bank transfer, SWIFT, SEPA, and the corresponding bank details like IBAN, SWIFT code, and the bank name. Unfortunately, the option right here in my region is currently disabled, so you just have to get the corresponding bank details on this page right here. Right after that, you then have to head over to your Wise account. Click on the login button and simply enter your Wise account details. Now, unfortunately, I'm having once again a problem on my Wise account right here, but it's really simple. All you have to do is to navigate through your Wise dashboard, and from here you then want to click on the send money option. It will simply look something like this, where you have to enter the amount that you want to send, and you want to choose the currency that you want to send and input the amount right here. Once again, we are using USDT as an example on our Binance account right here. So let's go ahead and select USDT on the Wise application. Right after that, you will go ahead and see the recipient will get exactly the amount that you will go ahead and get on your Binance right here. Now, you want to make sure that this option right here is also on the USD option to make sure that you're transferring USD to another USD account, which is going to be our Binance account right here. Click on the continue button. Right after, you then want to select the business or organization option if Binance requires that for receiving transfers. You then want to fill in the bank details shown in your Binance deposit instructions, including the IBAN, SWIFT code, and the name of the bank. Now, as an important detail, you want to double check that the name on the Binance matches what Wise requires. If it doesn't match, your transactions might fail or be delayed. From there, you then want to basically confirm the transaction on the Wise right here. Review all of the information, including the recipient's name on the Binance account right here. You want to review the exact amount in currency, the estimated arrival time, and any fees with Wise that is charging. You then want to click on the confirm and send button on the Wise application or website, and from there it will initiate the transfer. Now, depending on your currency and country, the funds could arrive in 1 to 3 business days. Now, you then want to wait for the funds to arrive in your Binance right here. Now, Binance usually updates your wallet once the deposit is processed. And so, right after that, you'll receive an email notification. You can simply check this under your email registered on your Binance. You can check this under the transaction history in your Binance wallet. Now, if your funds doesn't arrive after a few days, you want to contact both Wise and Binance support with your reference number. Now, as an additional tips to avoid issues when doing this method, you want to double check the beneficiary details. Small typos can delay the process. You want to choose your Binance UID or reference number if required in the payment notes. You want to choose the right currency. For example, you don't want to send euro to a USD account. Once again, as an example, we are using USD to USD accounts right here. You want to keep screenshots of your transaction confirmation for backup. And lastly, you want to avoid weekends or bank holidays because the processing might be slower. And so, let's talk about some alternative methods if the Wise doesn't work. If your Wise account restricts transactions or transfers to Binance, you want to consider the sending money through your personal bank account, then depositing from your bank to Binance via their bank transfer option. This adds an extra step, but it gets the job done. From there, let's talk about some pros and cons of using Wise. Now, for pros, they have low fees, fast transfers, great exchange rate. Now for cons, they doesn't directly support crypto related transfers and they might block transactions to Binance if flagged as a high risk. Now, that's how you transfer money from Wise to Binance. It's not the most direct process, but with accurate information and patience, it works smoothly. Once again, all you have to do is to navigate through your Binance account right here. And simply once inside, you can just click on the fiat and spot option, click on the deposit, and from there you will be able to see the bank details on your Binance account. Open up your Wise account, type in the currency right here and the amount that you want to send, click on continue, and you want to simply enter all of the details that you got from Binance through your Wise right here. Now, you always want to double check the details before sending money through the Binance application or your Binance account to make sure to avoid extra charges, fees, or delays on your transaction. You want to basically choose the right currency right here. Now, if you have USD on your Wise account, you want to make sure that you're sending the right currency to your Binance account also. In our case, it's going to be USD. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.